Ay, wala pa. 3, 2, 1.
Kasi nga, atleta ka.
And sa ating mga participants, pag-limit po ako isang line po. 1 line for boys, 1 line for girls. Okay, straight line po tayo. Ate Jessa, tama ba? Tatlo lang ang ating girls. Isa pa. Nasaan ang isa? Nasaan? Nasaan daw si?
Ate, babae ka na lang.
Okay, ayan na si Ate Jamaica. So for our next game, pa-backwards po muna lahat. And kailangan po naka-backwards po tayo. Backwards pa po. Backwards pa. Okay, ayan. Meron ulit tayong team boys at team girls. For our next game po, ito ay tinatawag namang basketball. Okay? Kaya para kayong mag-basketball po, kailangan nyo lang sundan ang mga movements na ipapakita. Okay, so paano nga ba ito? Pag sinabi po namin na dribble, 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 kailangan ganyan po ang gagawin nyo sa bola or sa ating balloon. Dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Ikiling po. Ikiling po. Kailangan kumikiling ka. Kailangan kumikiling ka and then i-shoot nyo po yung bola which is itatap nyo lang po dito. Paunahan po kayo mag-tap dito. Okay? Naintindihan po ba yun?
Opo. Tapos po, pinakamahalaga, dapat alam niyo po yung number niyo. Kayo po ang player number 1, player number 2, player number 3, player number 4, player number 5.
Yes. Kaya naman, at pag sinabi namin, pass to player number 2. Ayan, ibigay
Pass
niyo
to
po
player
yung
number-
balloon.
pass to balloon
Pass
to
to
player
player
number
number 2. Ipasa niyo po, ma'am. Pass to
Ayan.
player number 2, pass to player 3. Pass to player 4. Pass to player 5. And pag sinabi namin, shoot that ball, paunahan po kayo dito. Okay? Pero dapat ay mag-ingat lang po tayo. Kasi baka mamaya madulas kayo. Ayan, naka-heels pa si ma'am. Okay?
Alright.
Mamaya madulas po kayo.
Parang
Okay?
ready na sila?
Kaya naman, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga participants for this game. Okay, Ate Jessa, why don't you start our game now?
Mac Basketball starts in 3, 2, 1.
Ayan.
Player number 1, dribble, dribble, dribble. Player number 1, dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Basta mo na sa player number 3. Player number 3, exhibition, 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 exhibition. Dribble, 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 dribble. Player number 3, pass on to player number 5. Player number 5, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Shoot that ball! Bakit ba? Bakit?
May ganun pala.
Bakit nasa basketball court talaga?
Okay, sino ang naka-1 points?
Ay, 1 point na naman ang picture sa akin.
Ang galing. Okay, player number 1 po ulit. Player number 1. Okay, player number 1. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Pass to player number 5. Player number 5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass to player number 3. Player number 3. Dribble, 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 dribble. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass to player number 4. Player number 4. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Exhibition, exhibition. Pass to player number 2. Pass to player number 3. Pass to player number 4. Player number 4. Pass to player number 1. Player number 1. Pass to player number 3. Player number 3. Shoot that ball!
Ayan! May 1 point na ang boy! Okay, may 1 point na ang both teams. Ate AZ.
First, so how many points tayo? 3.
Kaya naman, player number 3. Dribble, player number 3. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pass over to player number 4. Player number 4. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Pass over to player number 2. Player number 3. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Ikaw, sir. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Pass over to player number 1. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass over to player number 3. Player number 3. Pass over to player number 4. Player number 4. Pass over to player number 5. Player number 5. Igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo, igiling mo. Pass over to player number 1. Player number Giling Boy. Pass over to player number 2. Player number 2, Giling Boy. Exhibition. Dribble. Pass over to player number 3. Player number 3, pass over to player number 5. Player number 5, pass over to player number 1. Player number 1, dribble. Pass over to player number 3. Player number 3, Giling Boy. Exhibition. Pass over to player number 4. Player number 4, pass over to player number 1. Player number 1, shoot and goal! Sunod na talo ang Daisy! Sino ba ang nanalo, sir?
Cameraman lang ako eh.
Ready to go!
Sir, sinalo na ang
Replay!
Sino ba ang nanalo? Kaya naman sa team boys, yan po ulit kayo sa harapan.
Kaya nakawawa naman ang mga boys.
Sa team boys, sa harapan na lang po ulit.
Dapat hindi ka kasali at dalawang
Thank you po.
high blood eh.
Kaya si Kuya Reggie. Nagreklamo.
Ayan, sa harapan na lang po lahat ng natalong. Opo. Ano yun siya? Ikaw ang star.
Ay,
Sa
nasa
harapan na lang po. Sino po po, sir? Ayan, 5 ate Amy.
Ano yan, Jay?
Ayan, straight line na lang po. Dahil madali lang naman to. Kung kanina may dance pineso, meron tayong interview for now, ate Amy. So, sir, mauna po sa inyo. Ano pong name nila? Sir Ron, kung magiging artista ka po, sino ikaw? Yun! Ron Manabuan! Ano ba yun? Okay. Ano po ang favorite pet ni Piolo?
Pet po, animal.
Dog. Ano po ang sound ng dog? Ay,
Dog.
pusa. Ano po ang sound ng pusa? Paano po ang galit na pusa? Sir!
Anong galit na pusa, sir?
Ayan, Ate AZ.
Okay, so, sir, what's your name po? Sir Jason, sino naman po ang pala ng artista sa tingin niyo? Jericho
Jericho
Rosales.
Rosales daw, Ate AZ. Ano ang favorite pet ni Jericho Rosales?
Favorite animal. Bawal po pusa kasi pusa po kay Sir Yolo. Eating tao. Stop na lang, sir. Yes, sir or no? Pass na. Pass na. Hindi po pwede. Dapat meron tayong pet or animal. Baka daw, sir. Baka.
Paano po ang sound ng baka?
Baka daw po. Okay, Ate Jess. I think okay na si sir. Ayan.
Okay, next. Name na lang po.
Substitute.
Name na lang po.
Nakalan po, sir.
Sir Israel, kung magiging artista po kayo, sino po kayo?
Coco Martin!
Dieter Ocampo daw po. Ayan, ano po ang favorite pet ni Dieter Ocampo?
Grabe po.
Dog! Ano ba ang saman ko? Out daw, ate. Napaka-demure naman ang artist. Dog! Next, ate.
Next one. May pa, sir. Okay, sir. Ano ba ang iyong favorite pet, if ever? Ibon daw. Sino naman po ang kalaw-kalay ng artista? Empoy daw kay sir.
Empoy.
Okay.
Ayan, napaka-pogi yun talaga. Next, and last but not the least, name na lang po. Sir Ram, kung magiging artista po kayo, sino po ang kaloka-like nyo? Sino po ang suggestion na kaloka-like ni Sir?
Dixon Kahit katulad ng Tita Jason.
Okay na po. Okay, thank you so much po. Now, happy birthday po in song or cat sounds po sa inyo, sir. In cat sounds, dapat yung full song pa.
Paano?
3, 2, 1, go!
Ayun na yun na. Yun na na.
Ay, ang galing naman! Thank you so much, sir.
Ayun na. Ayun na. Gang, gang.
Birthday wish po muna kay Jalen.
Pati, ay, wag ka umiyak! Wag ka umiyak! Tita Pinkoy. Oh, wag ka umiyak, Tita Pinkoy. Naiiyak na yan.
Now, sing happy birthday again. Dog sound. 3, 2, 1, go!
Tita, tingnan mo.
Ayun, thank you so much, Sir Ethan.
Ano si Tito Rocky?
Birthday, sir. Kambing.
Nene, nene.
Birthday wish po mo kay Jalen. Thank you so much po. Ngayon naman po, sing happy birthday in Kambing Sound. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ano?
Ayun, okay, thank you so much, sir. Next naman, we have second to the last positive, sir. Okay, okay, sir, ano po yung birthday wish para kay Jalen?
Wish ko kay David na mamabay ka.
Thank you so much po kayo naman, sir.
Go, Empoy!
Happy birthday and birthday. Ayun, thank you so much, and last but not the least,
Pinale, pinale. Stop, pinale.
Sana run strong.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Happy birthday po, Ina. Si Pastor Thank you so much po. Palakpakan naman po natin once again si Jalen. And please settle down po everyone dahil ay meron pa pala mag-wish for Jalen.
Busy.